Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today gonna show you how to activate the antivirus on your Samsung Galaxy A80. To do this operation, go to your settings, search for device care here. And here you have option the security and deactivate it on the standard. Just tap it and activate it. It's powered by MKIFI. Activate it. Yep, activate. And you can scan your phone to check if you have any virus on your phone, or don't useless the application, or some things went wrong with your phone. Anyway, just be patient and check for the status ending of the scanning your phone. Great. No, I don't have any problem with my phone, don't have virus, but I already activated the security of your phone, so you have antivirus now. And that's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!